Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 345 different strategies, with 111 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 243 of the other strategies and indicators that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,028 indicators, with 430 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, scalping was hard until I found this strategy, buy, sell, TradingView indicator. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy and see if indeed it does make trading easier. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide these two indicators on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the pivot super trend indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and then jump into the settings of this, and the inputs, the pivot point period right here, you're going to change to 1. The ATR factor you're going to change to 2, and the ATR period you're going to change to 7. Just double check that all these are unchecked except for this one right here. Jump into the styles and make sure that these two are also unchecked here. And then the buy and sell selections here, you can put the buy below bar and the sell above bar, and then click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the MACD plus SMA 200, and so it'll be this one right here. Actually, it will be the strategy one right here, this lower one here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and when you do, it'll pop up a strategy testing like this right here. Just click this tab right here to close out of that, and then go ahead and jump into the settings of this one as well. And what we'll do is the MACD fast moving average, you're going to change to 45, and the MACD slow moving average, you'll change that to 90, and then make sure that the other two selections are 9 and 200. Let's see, double check that these are the only two selections checked here, and under the styles you can uncheck the background color and the trades on chart right here, and then click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade is we are looking for when price is trading above the moving averages, all three of the moving averages, and then we pick up a buy tag like this right here. Now, oddly enough, they didn't use the moving averages in kind of the traditional style. I don't know if the source video intended it to be that way, but in the source video, when they explained how to use the moving averages, they didn't explicitly say that the moving averages needed to be stacked up in a bearish or bullish pattern. And so, for example, you can see right here that all three of the moving averages are red, and so that might be a better option as far as using the moving averages go. But again, the source video just said that price either needed to be trading above all three of the moving averages or below all three of the moving averages. And then made no other mention as to how to use the moving averages. And so in this case, I'm going to go by what the source video said. And in this case, you can see that price is trading or has closed above the three moving averages. And at the same time, we get a buy tag like this right here. And so that will be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right there. We'll put our stop just right below this kind of pivot right here. And then we'll target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so you can see that we run into consolidation. Price just kind of treads sideways for a while, then makes this nice spike to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a sell trade, what we are looking for, so we are looking for price to be trading below all three of the moving averages. And then we are looking for a sell tag like this right here. And you can see those two criteria met right there. That'll be our signal to then enter into a short. Put our trade right here, put our stop just right above this pivot, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how this one plays out. Alright, so once again, we just kind of run into consolidation. Price just kind of bounces around here for a while, then makes this nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 18 winning trades and 32 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 36% win rate. If you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, your total gain would have been $10,800. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,800 for an overall loss of $2,000 altogether. So not a great strategy altogether. Scalping strategy, I don't think it's going to help very much, even with the buy sell TradingView indicators. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 44 trades altogether. We had 36 winning trades and 8 losing trades, putting it at an 81% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $21,600. On the losing side, you would have lost $9,600 for an overall gain of $12,000 altogether. So definitely better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And recently we've developed a crypto scalping strategy with the Academy of Forex Indicator. You can see some of the results from that strategy here on screen now. So some really decent results. If you're interested in viewing that video, just click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.